Here, Louisianan, something different here, something epic. Just sitting here in my poetry book. Rain showers, rain showers, let the rain fall on me. Rain showers, just sitting here in the rain, just thinking, letting nature just pour its love on me. Just thinking about what might happen in the next 5-10 years. Is the world gonna be the same? Is the world gonna be here? Rain showers, rain showers, let the rain fall on me. Rain showers, in my poetry book, got so many scriptures about how I feel about life. I remember when the great Prince used to always sing about his love for music and things. Yeah. Rain showers, rain showers, let your rain love pour on me. Thank you.